Hey guys, this is going to be the beginning of part 2 of the, I don't even know what the video is called. It's called fixing my four-wheel drive, like the automatic front locks. Like the vacuum actuated locking hubs. Like you can go in the car, turn the knob, and it will automatically lock or activate or lock the hubs, via vacuum. So before I thought I did some tests, my vacuum pump worked, but I just wasn't getting any air past this thing. This thing I don't think was actuating. This, either that or my switch was bad, but I got this on Amazon, about 30 bucks. It's a Dorman, and Dorman makes kind of shitty stuff, but they actually make a lot of stuff for a Power Stroke 6.0, and I mean, they don't usually make parts unless they fail a lot, if they think they can make some money. So I'm guessing this is one of those parts. So hopefully this will work. We'll see. I'll get it on there. At the same time, I'm gonna replace the bottom hoses with something a little bit better. This is like a fuel hose. It's not fuel injection hose, but it's more like fuel hose. But it's like there's like what's it called? It's like there's like braided material inside of it. So it's a lot stronger and it weathers better than your typical vacuum hose that has nothing in it. It's just solid rubber. I guess it's reinforced. Okay, cool. So I'm going to put that on there. I'm just going to take this is one of the original pieces. I'm just going to take it and cut it to the same lengths and replace the underneath stuff, and not the hard line, but just the soft line, connects to the axle. And then I'll come back up and I'll be back and I'll show you the complete product and get the vacuum gauge on there, and hopefully I can get this thing locked. Alright, cool.
Yes.
Okay, got the hose on, and see that, but new hoses right there.
I see this.
Drake, did we get the new hose on? Did you help me get the hoses on?
Yes.
Did you help me fix the white truck?
Yes.
Cool, yeah. So we're almost there. So now I gotta replace that deal, the vacuum it's called the vacuum valve or solenoid, and test it out. Let's see if we get some vacuum.
Okay, let's get some vacuum.
Yeah, let's get some vacuum. Okay. Alright guys, I haven't fixed the part yet, but I put the vacuum gauge there. I just want to double check. Definitely, so when I hit the four-wheel drive, like I can hear the transfer case, actuating. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, so the transfer case is definitely doing stuff, but I'm not building any vacuum on the thing, so I'm going to replace that valve and see what happens. Alright, cool. Alright guys, one thing to note, what I noticed is that when I pulled the wire, I'm getting vacuum on the air conditioning side, and the air conditioning is also controlled by this valve, and I never had a problem. Like normally default, it's supposed to go to defrost, but my air conditioning was fine, and I was getting vacuum on the air conditioning side. So let's see, turn this on again. So, still no vacuum, and that's with the new valve. It's not fully installed, in case I gotta take it back. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to start it up just to make sure. I'm actuating the valve. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. That was cool. Got some vacuum on it though. I guess I had to start the car. About 10 psi, I don't know if that's correct or not. Okay, cool. I'm just curious. I'm gonna check the other valve again just to double check. Okay guys, here's the true test. So I'm spinning the tire now, and you can see that the axle is not locked up right there. So I'm gonna start this up again, make it into four-wheel drive, and see if this thing will lock up. Try both sides. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but truck's running. Take a look at this. See the axle turning? It's locked. Alright, I'm going to try the other side. Alright, that's the passenger side. So it looks like we're locked up. It's pretty loose though, that bearing, whatever is in there. Pretty nuts. Alright, cool. Thanks. Alright guys, quick recap here. So, it took me about an hour's worth of time, and about 30 bucks in parts, you know. I got the, I already had the, well, I had the vacuum, I got that vacuum hose for free. They were just scraps. So the guy gave them to me, but yeah, hopefully if I get stuck in ice again or snow, I can get out of it without having to go out and lock those hubs. So, alright, cool. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. So, not too bad, 30 bucks. There's that little solenoid thing right there. Alright, cool.